up with us. Right now, you and I have to face the music. Come on.
The fact that the right way is also my way is a happy coincidence.
If you refuse, you shall suffer dire consequences.
Only if you say please.
You know, there's nothing I couldn't give you. There's nothing I'd deny you. If you would not deny me.
Hey, all coming in. What's going on?
I'm investigating your neighbor's disappearance. You hear or see anything suspicious last night?
Pleasant surprise. Target acquired.
What are you doing?
What?
Are you trying to seduce me?
I am.
In what circumstances he wouldn't be like this. He'd be all right.
It is powerful and malicious. And quite cunning.
Magnificent gesture.